Here with Senator Sam Brownback. Boy, one of the best in the Senate. We certainly thank God for you. And you have a positive message for some folks who may be heartsick over what they're watching transpire right now.
Well, I mean, they should be heartsick over what they saw transpire. The cash for cloture, the abortion funding that's in this for the first time in 30 years, the number of giveaways and gimmicks in this bill, and then what it's going to do to people's health care and the economy on top of all that.
On Christmas Eve to boot.
Yeah. But it's got to go back to the House. And you flip 5 House members that voted for it last time on any one of these issues, on the funding for abortion, on the horrific process that this thing went through, on all the special giveaways, or just the cost of what it's going to do to the health care and the quality in this country, and this thing goes down. So I really want to urge people, if they get anywhere near a House member that voted for this thing, to really buttonhole and talk to them about this issue. And if they've got somebody that's somewhat pro-life, go at them about this funds abortion for the first time in 30 years, and don't vote for it. This is not over yet by any means. And the House, which is much more sensitive to public opinion, and public opinion is against this bill, is one that really can be turned.
So don't give up on working and don't give up on praying.
Please, both. We need them.
Thanks a lot, Senator. Thanks for your moral courage in all of this.
Thank you.